What is that? I'm sorry, I was a little crabby earlier. It's mostly
no, you were snappery, honey.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's funny. I wasn't really sorry, by the way. I was just trying to get it on video that I apologize to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so that you can replay this sometime?
Yeah. You're like, see, I'm a nice guy. I apologize when I'm wrong.
Yeah, right.
Completely, genuinely. I used to say the last 100 yards leading out to Clam Pass was the prettiest paddle that I know of, but I think this might be in direct competition at least.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, little baby snook, like
Oh, really?
maybe like 6-8 inches long. Oh, there's a couple of them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of stick out their tubes, and so they're ticklish. Oh yeah, he did go right in there.
See him, honey.
That's funny.
Hiya.
Hi. Hi. I don't know if it's going to show up, but he turned on his side and looked up at me with what looks like a big grin on his face, and of course it's probably him being like, hey, get out of here, I'm trying to hunt. But that was pretty good. He was over all the way over there at that other inlet, and I heard, I was like, oh, I think there's a dolphin. Hey, no wake zone, buddy. I would love for someone to accuse us of chasing him.
Like, yeah, right.
I'd like to see how,
He's following up.
right, well, like if he wanted to get away from us, like we might be able to keep up with him for, I don't know, a quarter of a second or something.
Yeah, exactly. Right. That was awesome.
I've had worse.
Yeah.
Whoa! No, I was surfing your wake. It just looks wrong. Like every part of my brain is like, no, don't do this. Yeah, that's the deepest spot. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And then here I can go in the middle. Right?
Yeah, I think so. There's one more spot that's a little bit deep.
Deep?
I think you're good from here on out.
Okay. Sweet. All right. Let's see if there's something down that way, if that's okay.
Whatever you like.
Car wash.
Oh, you're fine actually. That one used to be a lot more.
Come on, birdies, you have to get out of my way so I can do this thing. That is a little bit like. I'm gonna let them fly through that one and let them kiss past me. So. Awesome. This is awesome, dude. That's awesome too that like they're out here too doing the same thing.
Yeah.
It's like just seeing the water fly. It's like, oh yeah, they're doing the same
We're
thing.
basically all just children stomping in puddles.
Yeah. Hi. Hi guys.
Maybe not fawn, but smaller one.
Yeah. Okay, I should go so they can
Yeah.
do their thing. Oh, they're running this way.